Hello there, my YouTube family. Tom Scrollo here, bringing you a quick cryptocurrency update, a quick Sunday update. We'll try to keep it as short as possible. I want to talk about Bitcoin as well as Ethereum and see what's going on and prepare for our next trade. So without any further ado, please hit that like button. Right now, when the market is consolidating, everything is slowing down, the engagement is going down as well, people are losing interest. So for that reason, please smash up that like button. If you're watching from the beginning till the end, hit that like button, make some noise down in the comments to show me your appreciation and to show that you're interested in this information, and so that the algorithms will push it out into the world so that as many people as possible get educated, and also motivates me to make these videos each single day. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit also that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. Okay, without any further ado, so here is our beautiful, beloved Bitcoin yet again, and we are seeing that we are having a lot of small and super slow movement right here. Right now we're still being squeezed in this area right here, but what is the most important, because as again from previous video, we have to really break this for us to say that we are ready to long the Bitcoin to its all-time high, whatever. And if we're gonna be going below this yellow level right here, then currently, so in theory, if we're gonna be going and stabilizing, closing below 38,500 or 38, then our next target is gonna be 34 for sure. So it's a very nice shorting opportunity as well, and that's what I'm looking out for. I'm constantly checking where is the market so I can put in an interesting trade. But it's just doing nothing. So if we go to 4-hour chart right here, we're gonna see that, oh geez. So if we're gonna go to 4-hour chart, we're gonna see right here just massive consolidation. And the same thing goes for especially the hourly chart. Look, we just had some movement, we had consolidation, huge consolidation, and just a few moves like here, and just this attempt to break out. A lot of people got liquidated in this area, and that's it. So it's like super slow, and you can start imagining that this is head, this is a shoulder, this is a head, this is a shoulder, but this is just all a waste of time. So right now we're just consolidating, and we're looking for the next direction. And quite honestly, if we, because I'm not even gonna use any moving averages, I'm not even gonna use the MA ribbon, not the volume, not DC, nothing. Just looking at the pure price, because it tells us a huge story. And to be honest, when there is such consolidation, it's always is followed by a huge move, especially in cryptocurrencies. So for that reason, I think that we can actually market, and I'm just doing it together with you right now, we can market like this and also potentially market like that. So right now, this is the most important area in the super short-term perspective, and especially if we're gonna go to a 15-minute chart, we're gonna see this flag formation that is happening right now and squeezing it in the middle. So we have a squeezing in a super tiny time frame right here, which is a very good and a tradable structure actually. And if you want to be trading actively, claim a $4,100 bonus of real money. Down in the description of this video, you'll find a link to Bybit. I personally have like $280,000 currently with Bybit just for active trading. They have very good liquidity and just in general super tiny spreads, and the commissions are awesome. So that's why I recommend Bybit, and with my link you will get $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit. So do it like right now and prepare for this amazing trade. So on here we have this squeezing formation in the 15-minute chart, and also in the daily chart we also have this squeezing that I just mentioned. So this is a very smart way of entering into a potential, for example, bounce off of 38 using this structure that I just showed you in the 15-minute chart, and play it up to, because playing it up to 44.7 in this area could be quite dangerous. So we could play it up to $42,000 with a super short stop loss if that's if the opportunity is going to present itself. We're going to see the breakout out of here with nice volume, or consequently, if we're going to be breaking below right here, it could be an interesting shorting opportunity to just get into a short with a target of potentially of $38,000. Move your stop into profit so that you get a free trade if it bounces off of 38,000, and play it out. See if we're gonna actually break 38 with a target of 34,000. $4,000. So this is quite interesting, right? So this is an opportunity. What we are seeing currently in the 15-minute chart, it gives us an interesting opportunity to get into a super short-term trade with a very controllable risk and money management, and potentially move your stop into profit once it moves into your profit considerably towards your target, the small target of this breakout, of this flag, because the breakout is coming. I mean, it's inevitable. It has to do something very soon, perhaps today. So that's what I'm looking out for currently in Bitcoin. And I mean, this could be a very beautiful trade, especially the big move is coming for sure. So this could be the place to try and find an entry and use proper risk and money management. So if you're kicked out once or twice, that's okay when you're using at least 3 to 1. And currently with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you can use like 5 to 1, 10 to 1, 20 to 1. So yeah, just be smart. And as always, if you want to learn how to do all of that properly, go to tomscrollo.com and become one of my students at my certified and accredited trading education 5-month-long program, A to Z, all markets, swing trading, scalp trading, day trading, long-term investing, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, on-chain market data, all of it. And there is also a link to a nice discount to it down in the description as well. So let's go to Ethereum. Let's quickly take a look at what's going on with Ethereum, because it's also quite interesting, because I was considering to actually also put a trade in on Ethereum. So just in general, we're currently seeing that we had the most important level for us in Ethereum is, of course, just like in Bitcoin, it's $30,000, like, you know, the level from this previous consolidation right there and this previous sell-off. So for Ethereum, it's about $1,700. And this is where I will be buying a lot of Ethereum for my long-term holding. And that's also something that I don't really think we're ever going to go lower in Ethereum, especially. But right now, we had this move downwards. We did break this level, so we did go below below this bottom right here, so it's like, you know, turning into a downtrend. But however, we have slowed down, just like we have slowed down in everything else, especially in Bitcoin, and we're actually outperforming in this sense the performance of S&P 500, which actually says that the Bitcoin is actually a better hedge against inflation, well, relatively at this time with the information that we have. So, and currently we have this, for us to actually break out, we have the resistance of about $3,000, which has been a very strong level at $3,000. But most importantly, we are also seeing this kind of a momentum and this kind of a consolidation here. So for Ethereum, currently the same kind of a situation, the same kind of a structure we are seeing in the 1-hour chart, and especially also in the 15-minute chart. So you can play the same kind of a concept that I've just described about Bitcoin, certainly. And then we can easily find the same kind of a structure for either a bounce off of this, because again, in a short-term perspective, anything can happen. The market can go in freaking circles, and it's very difficult to predict that, yes, from this precise point of 25.74, we're going to be going only up $100 in the next 12 minutes. It's impossible, right? So all we can do is see the structures, see where is it breaking out, what is the volume, what is going on in the world, what's going on with on-chain metrics, and then just take opportunities that are presented by the market. If it's a longing opportunity, long the damn market. If it's a shorting opportunity in the next 5 minutes with a lot of volume and it's moving like crazy, short it. So, and this is what active trading is. You know, when somebody's saying, oh, Thomas, but you didn't really say which direction. I'm giving you the scenarios that might happen. And then in a bigger scale, which is easier to understand, I'm saying that work would be a potential bottom, just like I predicted that the bottom of Bitcoin will be $34,000. If you might remember, make some noise for Mr. Spot On in the comments right now. So yeah, this is basically what I'm looking for. For me, most importantly, if I want to put in a bigger trade, then the break of about $2,500 right here with a target of about $2,100 right here would be my target. Well, about a bit before, so we put in some backlash calculation in there as well. And for us to actually say that Ethereum is turning, we would at least want to break all of these resistances, because this is a super strong resistance. Then this is also the current most relevant resistance, and also this resistance right here. So we would really want to see break above 3,000 and really stabilize above 3,000 with a lot of volume, and also going above all the moving averages would be preferable, but it would be a bit too late to enter in my opinion. So, but nonetheless, yeah, so this is the current situation. Please do let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and as always, please stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.